Mangoes are a tropical fruit that belongs to the drupe family. This indicates that they contain a single big seed or stone in the center. Mangoes, often known as the king of fruits, are among the world's most popular fruits. Mangoes are high in natural sugar and include various vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, B, C, E, and K. It contains polyphenols, triterpenes, and luteol, antioxidative, anti-inflammatory effects. However, research indicates that, in addition to the advantages, there are some negative effects. Mangoes provide many health advantages. Here's a rundown of mangoes' many health advantages, ranging from supplying vital vitamins to aiding digestion. Vitamin A. Mango is rich in vitamin A. As previously stated, 1 cup of mango contains about 25% of the daily recommended vitamin A. This vitamin performs many essential activities in the body, particularly in the eyes and skin. It also improves the health of your bones, reproductive, and immunological systems. Vitamin C. Mango is one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the diet. This vitamin is necessary for a healthy immune system. It also helps with muscle, tendon, and bone development. Mango consumption increases plant iron absorption owing to its high vitamin C content. 1 cup of mango has 46 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 76% of your daily need. Weight control. Mango has a lot of promise when it comes to healthy weight loss. According to new research, mango and its polyphenols may really decrease fat cells and obesity-related genes. Another research found that mango peel, like the antioxidant resveratrol, prevents the development of fatty tissues. Anti-cancer. Mango's micronutrients may help fight cancer, and research on breast cancer, in particular, is encouraging. Mango reduced tumor size and inhibited cancer development factors in one animal study. Trusted source. As much as we might go on and on about the benefits of mangoes, this fruit does have some drawbacks. And you should be aware of them to protect your health from harm. Because of its high natural sugar content, this fruit may be hazardous to people with diabetes. If you have diabetes, you should contact a doctor before eating mangoes. Mangoes may induce diarrhea if consumed in excess. It's always best to consume it in moderation. Mango has a lot of fire, and eating a lot of fiber fruits may induce diarrhea. Urushiol is a chemical found in mango. People who are sensitive to this chemical may also get dermatitis. It's a skin condition in which people develop inflammatory skin that may become flaky, blistery, and itchy. Some people may be allergic to this fruit, resulting in watery eyes, a runny nose, breathing problems, sneezing, stomach discomfort, and other symptoms. Whether you have any of these symptoms, you should stop eating mangoes for a few days to see if your health improves. Mangoes, particularly raw ones, may induce indigestion. Consume raw mangoes in moderation. The king of all fruits is also high in calories, making it ideal for weight growth. A single medium-sized mango has 150 calories. So, if you're trying to lose weight, you should limit your mango intake. Mangoes can cause fever or urticaria too. Hives or urticaria is a skin disease that causes skin rashes, itchiness, and redness is triggered by certain foods, stress, or medication. According to a few types of research, mango can very much increase the heat of your body. Although, it is slightly contradictory and needs more research. Mangoes should never be eaten with milk since this may be harmful to your health. Mangoes should only be consumed in modest quantities by arthritis patients. According to experts, eating 200 to 250 grams of mango each day during mango season is the greatest method to provide the body with adequate vitamins, fiber, and minerals. Mangoes, both ripe and green, are both nutritious and healthful. Both contain high amounts of vitamin C, however, the quantity of vitamin C in ripe fruits is decreased. As a result, eating green mango is the greatest way to complement vitamin C. Ripe mangoes, contrary to popular belief, do not promote weight gain. Essentially, when ripe, this fruit may help you lose weight naturally. Furthermore, ripe mangoes contain antioxidants that may help prevent cancer. Ripe mango also includes beta-carotene and lycopene, organic pigments found in plants that help inhibit cancer cell development.